Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect fluffy coconut rice. It's creamy and it's got lots of coconut flavour. It's a great side dish to elevate any meal and it goes perfectly with some of my favourite curries. So let's get cooking. Start by adding 500 grams or 2.5 cups of jasmine rice to your rice cooker. Now we want to rinse the rice about 3 to 4 times until that water runs almost clear. I do this directly in the rice cooker pot using cold water. On the last rinse, try to pour off as much of the water as possible. Then we're going to add in a 400 ml or 14 ounce tin of full fat coconut milk, 300 ml or 11.5 ounces of water, a teaspoon of sugar and half a teaspoon of salt. Then we're going to stir that once and place in the rice cooker and let it run the rice cooking cycle. This can be different for different models. And now's the time to get your favourite curry on the go. Now I absolutely love my rice cooker. It's set and forget and it makes perfect rice every time. But don't worry, if you haven't got a rice cooker, then you can do this in a pan on your stovetop. And I'll leave the instructions for this in the description below. And now that's cooked, so it's ready to serve. You can serve it as it is, or I like to top it with some shredded toasted coconut, some chopped coriander and some lime zest. So there you go, that's my fluffy, coconutty coconut rice. It's so easy to cook in the rice cooker and you can make it to go with your favourite curry, maybe like this chicken madras. I'll see you over there.